Jumping straight into the video, y'all see me putting on this raggedy old wig cap. I don't know why I keep using the same wig cap, but disregard that. So today's video is sponsored by Cynosure Hair. They reached out to me and they sent me this 22-inch body wave wig. Y'all, this wig is so beautiful. This is their 150% density 4x4 lace closure wig. Y'all, it is so hard trying to get companies to send y'all a closure wig. Like, they be acting real bougie. So they sent me this 4x4 closure wig. I'm just showing y'all the inside construction. I think it has like 4 or 5 combs, if I'm not mistaken. It has an elastic band and everything. So it has the whole 9 yards. It's literally perfect. The packaging was so perfect. Like, they sent me some beautiful lashes and all of that good stuff. I do want to mention that I had a few little issues with the shipping. I kept missing the packages. Like, I missed the packages like 2 times. So it came in like 4 days. It would have came in 2 days if I wouldn't have missed my package. But I don't know. It was just, I don't know. I just wasn't at home and they just wouldn't leave my package. But on the flip side, we got the wig, and the wig is literally perfect. I don't know why in the video it looks black, but this wig is really like a color 4. It's a really light brown. So if you're gonna wanna have it black, you're gonna have to literally add dye to it because it's super brown. So I started off by cutting my lace off. If y'all know me, I don't cut my lace like straight across because I like it to look natural as possible. And over the years, I just learned cutting it straight, it just looked too defined. So I kind of like cut it like kind of weirdish, like you just not uniform basically. So I cut it down the middle, and then I use my damn, I be forgetting. I use my razor, and I had went in and tried to like cut it off so it can be kind of like so it can be kind of zigzag. Oh my god, y'all, it is like 1 o'clock in the morning, so disregard me. I'm kind of tongue tied, but yeah. So that's all I did. I was cutting it kind of zigzag so it won't be so uniform. I don't like that. It makes, like, when I cut it like with the razor, it makes my closure look so seamlessly and natural. So that's all I did with that step. I did pull out a little bit of baby hairs. I wasn't trying to go like OD with the baby hairs because this is a lace closure and it is a 4x4. So, you know, I just didn't want to do too much. In the video, y'all gonna see me use mousse and the Got2b glue, and I decided to do that because I seen this other YouTuber do it. I want to say overall this wig was literally perfect. I didn't have no problems with the shedding. I didn't have no problems with no tangling. The wig construction was good, although I did not like how the wig is like constructed by the ear part. By it being a 4x4 closure, I guess they constructed it different. Literally, the tabs by the ears were irritating the mess out of me. Like, I just couldn't even deal with it. It made me want to like take the wig off. So if I had to change anything about this wig, it would probably be the part by the ears, because it's really irritating, especially if your ears, it's just made funny basically. It's like really irritating. But everything else was perfect. Shipping was perfect. The packaging was good. I didn't have no problems with the quality of the hair at all. Although I wish the hair did come black, but you know, it's okay. Yeah, that was the only thing I really didn't like, was that part. But overall, it was still good. No complaint.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth